Not sure what all the functions do on your Ninja Woodfire? Here's a quick guide. The Ninja Woodfire has 7 built-in functions, but what does each one actually do, and when should you use them? Here's a simple breakdown so you can cook smarter and avoid guesswork. Bon 1. Grill. High heat, fast searing, perfect for burgers, steaks, hot dogs, or vegetables. This mode does not use pellets. It's all about direct heat. 2. Smoke. Low and slow cooking with real wood pellet flavor. Use it for ribs, wings, or anything that benefits from slow smoking. Preheat first. Smoke starts after the timer begins. 3. Roast. Even, oven-style cooking with top and bottom heat. Great for whole chickens, pork loin, or casseroles. Can be used with or without pellets. 4. Bake. Lower consistent heat for baking breads, pizza, or desserts. Use bake plus smoke for wood-fired flavor. Best results when you preheat fully and keep the lid closed. 5. Air crisp. Rapid air circulation crisps food like an air fryer. Great for fries, wings, or frozen snacks. This mode runs hotter and faster, no pellets. 6. Broil. Top heat only. Use for melting cheese, browning tops, or crisping the surface of cooked foods. Keep cook times short, this gets intense. 7. Dehydrate. Low, steady heat for drying fruits, herbs, or jerky. This mode takes longer, but keeps a very consistent temperature. Each mode has its own strength, and with the right one, you'll get better results every time. If this helps simplify the settings, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. And if you want a safer, easier way to handle food across every function, we've linked a set of high-heat silicone tongs in the description. Perfect for grilling, flipping, or lifting hot items cleanly. Thanks for watching, and grill smart.